Pisces, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is trust the process. The championship is coming your way, is incoming very fast, just like a tsunami. Go with the flow like a lazy river. You've done everything that you can, and therefore you're going to reap the benefits for your hard work. But trust the process. Right before the breakthrough, there's always going to be something that's going to come and rock your ship, rock your boats, trouble your water. But to see if you're going to stay the course, stay the course, stay strong, because you've done everything you're supposed to do, and you shall be rewarded. Just trust, but trust in the process, and don't think that nothing is happening to you. Everything is happening for you. I trust life and my strength. Each moment guides me to my light. Everything on my path is placed there for my growth. Dig deep, because your growth makes you wiser and stronger. Therefore, bigger blessings are coming your way. The 100 acres of land, the generational wealth that is going to be passed down generation to generation starts with you. And it starts with making sure that you build that strength to be able to maintain it, because blessings come with their own weight. Being able to putting in the work, it'll feel like a feather. And life is about living. And rain, sleet, or snow won't feel like a ball and chain. And it's not about surviving. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.